Alright, I wanted to offer you a quick tutorial on how to choose what assignment you're going to work on next. You can see here I'm on the home screen. The first way to pick an assignment is to really just do the ones that I've assigned for that day. From the home page in the middle, you'll see daily assignments, on one side for chemistry, on the other side for physical science, and the names of the assignments that you need to do that day in order to keep pace and to be ready for the test when the day comes. Those assignments will be listed on there. If you don't finish them, do them as homework. But this is not ideal. That's there for you if you need it, but that's not really how I want you using this. I want you to go through this at your own pace in your own way, not necessarily just doing assignments that are thrown at you. It boils down to that anyway. But I want you to have a little more choice in that. So first, you can just do the assignments that you see there. That's one way to pick what they are. Also, notice down here, this doesn't really have to do with choosing an assignment, but it's very nice. We have these calendars for each class, and it'll tell you what day test will be on, and you can click on any of these blue boxes, and it will bring up what's supposed to happen. So you can see class introduction on the 4th for chemistry. So first way, home page, right smack in the middle. Let's use chemistry for an example. The way I would prefer that you choose assignments is to click on whatever class you're in and then choose what objective you're working on. You'll start with 1, and that brings you to this screen. And the way this works is first, everything's listed that you will need to be able to do by the time the test rolls around. So you should be able to ask yourself these in the form of a question. You should be able to do them. Alright, and on this page we have 3 more different ways to access your assignments. First, if you're just going to do the assignments that were listed on the home page, on the right hand side you'll see this list of links to all the different assignments. If you click on one of those, it will take you directly to that assignment, and so you can just go right to it. Another way is down at the bottom of the screen, the old style, for those of you who have been with me all year, map, where you start from the bottom and just work your way through the flow chart, going from assignment to assignment however you see fit. You can just click on the box and it will bring up the assignment page. So that's another way that you can go. And if you're wondering how many points each one of those assignments are worth, there's a key over on this side that will tell you. Perhaps the easiest way to go about this is to use this presentation view in the middle of the page. Now this is not perfect. You have to be careful, because if you scroll in the middle of it, it will change the slide on you. So make sure as you're scrolling, if you're using a trackpad to do that, that you do that away from the middle. But what you can do is just start with the introduction. And that brings up this, the current assignment you should be working on. So once you click on that, it will bring up in a new window that page. And then you can just watch the video. And when you're finished with whatever that assignment is, this will open in a new tab. You can just close that tab and hit I'm finished, let's move on, and it'll move you to the next assignment. You click on this, complete the assignment, and as you go through, anytime you reach a point where there are multiple assignments to pick from, you can pick whichever one you'd like. It really doesn't matter which one you do first, so you can pick where you want to go next. And this will work you all the way through the objective until you get to the end and you're ready for the test. So again, 4 different ways to choose assignments: from the home page in the middle of the screen, from the individual objective page for your class, the quick links on the right hand side, the presentation view in the middle, and the map view down at the bottom.